If your knuckles sound like bubble wrap, you're in the right place. Is knuckle cracking really bad for you? Here's the deal. When you crack your knuckles, you're just popping gas bubbles in the fluid around your joints. No bones grinding, no joints snapping. And guess what? Studies show it doesn't cause arthritis or harm your joints. So feel free to crack away, but don't overdo it. Temporary discomfort is no fun. What do you think, crack or not, Rousseau? Drop your thoughts in the comments.